Hi, this is Vicki with Saint Makeup, and I'm going to do a nude look tutorial. I'm going to start with my eyes, pup, the eyeshadow pup, and I'm going to dip my wand in it, and I'm going to cover my whole eye. This is one of my favorite looks to wear. It's very warm for blue eyes. I'm going to take Cafe, dip in that, and I'm going to go in the sides here and make like a V. Well, yeah, a V or a J. All right, I'm going to dip into Cafe, go on the other side. Now, I have hooded eyes, as you know. If you follow me, I'm taking that Cafe underneath my eyes for a real pretty soft look. If you're still wearing black eyeliner underneath your eyes, try this. Try taking the color that you put into the corner of your eye and dragging it underneath your bottom eyelid for a really soft, pretty look. I love that. Okay, I have a smudge brush, which again, I love because it just smooshes all those colors together. Now this one, I go up higher onto my brow bone because that's my little eye, my small eye. And this one, I don't have to go up so high. So then I have this really lovely, sparkly, it's called Hot Chocolate. And I put my finger in it because it's easier. Oh, I love that. Then I'm gonna smoosh everything together. Isn't that pretty? All right, then I'm going to use two colors that I absolutely love on my cheeks. I have plum and nude. And I take my brush, my buff brush, dip it in my purple, and I'm gonna put that right here. I'm gonna use it kind of as a contour, like that. I'm just tapping in it. Okay, then I'm going to the lighter color, the nude color, and I'm gonna tap and mix those colors together. I use these two colors together a lot. I love them. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Then I'm going to take my detail brush. That's right. And I'm going to dip it in the nude. I'm sorry, in the plum. Okay, and then on top of this, I'm going to put Royal. Which is a lip and cheek color. I take my blush and bronzer brush, and I'm just going to do a nice, beautiful mix. I'm gonna give a once over. And I think that I want to add just a little bit more bronzer. Oh, you guys, I love this. So pretty. And I'm gonna put just a little dot of pink on the end of my nose. What do you think? I love it. So I used Nude and Plum on my cheeks. I've got my color matched highlights for my coverage. I used Nude and Royal on my lips, and these lovely eyeshadows, Cafe, Pup, and Hot Chocolate. Girlfriend, I like it. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you're interested. If I can give you any information at all to tell you about this wonderful cream makeup that I love so much and just helps me feel beautiful. And you know what else? I turned 61 on Friday. I'm doing all right. Have a good day.